Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back to your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we are going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of crypto and finance. So with that being said, I hope that you are all having a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are out there in the world. So we have been watching a few things around XRP, and it seems as though the overall stage is being set for XRP. The number one thing that I have been watching is the AMM. Guys, this is nearly past. We are getting closer and closer and closer. We need to make it to the 20 seconds. So far, there is 32 yays on this. The consensus is over 91.4%, which is pretty big. And this is one of the most anticipated amendments on the XRP ledger for obvious reasons, and everyone has been waiting on it. Now, like I said, this is not a price changer. Like, this is not going to get passed and all of a sudden XRP is going to surge. But I do think that this is set in the narrative that XRP is about to run very, very hard. And the reason for that is because everything is aligning perfectly for it. Now, beyond that, there is still a ton of amendments that we are waiting for outside of just the AMM. For an example, we are watching the DID, which is a big one. The X-Chain Bridge is also another one. And then there's a few other ones on here as well. But regardless, there is a lot happening right now on the XRP ledger. The AMM amendment, the reason why I'm very excited about this is because it opens doors of opportunity for a lot more institutional DeFi initiatives and solutions to be built out on the XRP ledger, which, by the way, Ripple is focused on with Ripple X Dev, which I've been mentioning heavily because, again, if you are an XRP holder, you need to 100% focus on that because institutional DeFi is where a lot of money is going to be made. So outside of all of that, though, let's talk about a few things. Let's talk initially about XRP having a monumental bull run. 2017 has always been that mirror, right? We've been looking in the mirror and we've been only seeing 2017 in terms of XRP because everyone for the last however many years now, 6 years, all they've been focused on is what if XRP mimics this move? Well, what if I told you that it seems as though XRP is looking very similar to it? Big shout out to JD for this. We have XRP. Present time looks eerily similar to 2017 before it went to the moon. Dumb money would deny this chart, though. Laugh out loud. They are the ones who feel they miss other opportunities I've been calling and blames it on XRP. Once the breakout happens, imagine all the narratives that will come. Laugh out loud. And here we have the XRP chart. So let's look into this. So here's the 6-year trend line, and this goes all the way back to 2017, 2018, and we could even see this going all the way to where we are at right now at about roughly 70 cents. Now, at the time that I'm recording this, again, it could change. I'm going off of his chart here. But then we also have that bottom trend line that we have been holding on to for a while. Yes, there's candle wicks below it, but for the most part, we close above it on the monthly. This is a macro chart. Now, if we actually look back in time to 2013, 2017 up there on the top, you could see the 4-year trend line breakout. Again, we are in a 6-year trend line. Now, does this mean that XRP is about to go to $100 or anything like? No. But the last time that XRP was positioned like this, XRP did do over a 600x gain. Absolutely insane. Now, this time around, what could happen? So again, anything's a possibility. I've been more so looking at the $5 to $10 range, but guys, this could go significantly higher. I remember back in 2020 when everyone was calling for a $20 to $30 XRP. This could technically be when that happens. Now, does that mean that it's going to happen? No, but this could technically be that time. The best way to prepare for anything like that is to sell positions of your XRP once we do break over an all-time high. Once we hit $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, keep a moon bag on the sidelines just in case we do hit $20, $30 or even possibly even higher. But again, those higher prices I don't think get realized in. I could be wrong. But regardless, yes, XRP does look very similar to that time frame, but this time around, it more so looks like the base is longer, which means the move to space would be higher. Again, that's the overall saying how it goes. Now, JD's not the only one that's been seeing this. I've been mentioning it as well. I did a whole hour-long live stream on XRP yesterday regarding this. But here we have a post by Cryptolika. So like Metallica, this is Cryptolika. But we have, remember, it won't be for long, then you won't have the opportunity. XRP total market cap. Now, this is the overall chart for this, and this is 2014 all the way to 2024. And again, this is why I say focus on the market cap, the dominance, and all of the charts regarding XRP, because most of them look just like this. When you go and look at the dominance chart, when you go look at the XRP Bitcoin pair, they all look very similar to this. And guess what? You have XRP is king on the top, neutral in the middle, and then on the yellow line, it's kind of frustrated. People are a little bit concerned. And then here we have been for the last couple years where XRP is a scam, XRP is dead, XRP is worthless. Why are you even holding XRP? And that's typically when we are bottomed out. You see the 2017 timeframe, the 2021 timeframe, and now we are at the 2024 timeframe. And, you know, I've been noticing this as well regarding the space. Now, outside of this, even when you look at the USD pair also looks like it wants to go. Big shout out to Cryptos for this. We have XRP is going to have to do much better than this if it is going to convince me that it is bullish. And yes, we need a much larger move, and we need to actually have a weekly candle close over 75 cents in order for us to actually be bullish yet again. This pink resistance is the level to close above on Sunday. Not impressed at the moment. And yes, this is what I have been following for a little bit of time now on the weekly. We still need a little bit of momentum on XRP before we do get any impulsive decisions or any emotions. We need to make sure that we are calm, collective, and level-headed because, again, there is no confirmation that XRP at this current moment in time is going to rocket. If we do get a weekly candle close over 75 cents, though, watch out. And I've been saying this. And the number one thing that I've been watching for is the XRP Dominance and the XRP Bitcoin pair. They look like they're ready to take off. I will show you. This could be when we see XRP clear the 75 cent level and target 92 cents with haste, which is the last major level before retesting the 2021 highs. And then, of course, you know what happens after that if they are broken. But here's the XRP Dominance chart and here's the XRP Bitcoin pair. I've been showing you guys both of these charts almost every single time that I talk about XRP breaking out because they are the only ones that actually matter. The USD pair will follow them if we do have a breakout on both of these. And again, going all the way back to 2017, 2018, yes, I have this outlined. This whole red zone down here is when you really want to pay attention to XRP because typically this is when XRP is bottom. Now, that's why I do say from here, I'm expecting a big move. And this is on the XRP Dominance chart. Now, also outside of this, we have the XRP Bitcoin pair. Again, this one is right around the same levels that we saw back before we fully bottomed out back in 2017, 2018, even back in 2014. Now, do we see this bottom line getting targeted anytime soon? I don't think so. I actually think that we have a much larger move and this level down here gets completely avoided, but I could be wrong. But also, when we look at Bitcoin Dominance right now, we need to watch this chart closely. Again, I'm recording this a little bit ahead of time, so things are going to change, but regardless, we are still watching this for the weekly candle close. The weekly candle close is still days away, but we're watching the Bitcoin Dominance chart because this looks like it wants to go higher, but it also looks like it could do something like we saw back here in June before Altcoins sent, and of course, even XRP sent during this time. And what that would look like if we just go off of the bars graph, for an example. So it would look something like this, where we end up actually breaking down below this trend line. And this would essentially start us on a much larger breakdown on the Bitcoin pair or on the Bitcoin dominance chart, which will allow for the XRP Bitcoin pair to start breaking out, because this will continue down, and we don't know how far this will go down. I'm mainly targeting just the baseline before we start to have a major run up in this market. So anywhere between like this level down here at about 40% to possibly even going all the way back down to about roughly 39%. But regardless, that whole area down there is mainly the overall target. But I do think that this could very well be the start of that downtrend if we do continue to reject here. But we need to be cautious if this does break out, which I did outline in the live stream. Now, also big shout out to Credible Crypto. This is one of those individuals from the space I do actually really respect, and he actually put out a post regarding how he's still in the position on XRP from below and just added onto it for a third time, averaging up. XRP Bitcoin and XRP Ethereum both just printed and confirmed bullish divergence on the 3-day chart. That window of outperformance that I discussed in my last update video on XRP may be right around the corner. And yeah, this could be the moment where we start to see a big move on XRP. And again, I'm mainly looking at the weekly, but even if we look at the 3-day, you can see this overall chart. You can see that we are about to have a cross on the MACD, while the MACD is actually turning green at this time. And even RSI, it is trailing upward while we are just kind of trailing downward, which is usually when we have this downtrend break to the upside. This is what I'm watching for right now. Guys, like I said, a lot of things are aligning perfectly for XRP to have a monumental run in it. And I think that this is where a lot of people get shocked and surprised by what XRP is about to do. Again, are we a little bit too early on this call? We could be, but I'd rather be too early than too late. When it comes to XRP, this could very well be a much larger expansion that could essentially take us to a lot of those big targets that a lot of people were calling for back in 2020 and even 2021. Again, back in 2021, I was expecting $10. We never even got close to it because, again, we got halted. The SEC lawsuit killed momentum. This time around, there's no SEC. And there's a lot more substance behind XRP now than ever before. I mean, a lot of these amendments, these are going to push the XRP ledger into a much bigger spotlight and allow for a lot more opportunity to be realized on the XRP ledger. Regardless of this, we have been talking about some of the expansion that is happening from Ripple as well regarding XRP and the XRP ledger, with a lot of building now being focused on by Ripple for institutions. Also, tokenization is now heating up. We know that the XRP ledger is purpose-built for a lot of those major tokenization initiatives. Guys, in my opinion, it is only a matter of time, and you want to make sure that you are paying attention and you are focused up, because now we are starting to see some very, very big moves aligning perfectly for XRP to have this major bull run in it. I don't believe that XRP is going to miss this bull run. I believe that XRP is going to be a major winner. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on if there's more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.